You how to rearrange photos, change your website header, and hide any photos. So we're going to start on your projects. We're going to do the 69551 one. So once you're here, go ahead and click View. And you'll see over here the View Photos and Video. Since we're just looking at photos, we will click on this View My Photos line. Sometimes it does take just a little bit for the photos to show up on the screen, so if you see this for just a little bit, don't worry. They will show up in just a bit. Perfect. Okay, so first I will show you how to change the website header. So say this photo is the website header, but you would rather have one of the kitchen. You decide you want this one. We will go ahead and click Options and Website Header. Once you are on your website, click the refresh button, and that will be your new website header. And then I will show you how to hide photos. So say maybe we don't want to show this bathroom photo. Go ahead and do Options, Hide Image. And again, if you hide some images that you decide you want to bring back, just go ahead and click Unhide Image. And then if you want to rearrange some photos, say we want this one in front of this one, just go ahead and click on these arrows. You can go ahead, move them around wherever you would like.